Hi, TD Explorers here. We are in search of the Remington ruins. We are up in Mosquito Valley. That's right, Mosquito. And we are going to find these ruins. And up there, they used to have a couple of trout ponds, a spring house, and a large cabin. So we're going to see what else we could find up here. Come on, let's go for a walk. Okay, here is the beginning of the trail. And here's a little note about the trail. Okay, let's go. Got a lot of signs here. Oh, hunters, hikers and runners, thank you for not walking or running on ski tracks. Okay, I didn't know they had skiers here. Well, this kind of tells me about the trail. You think it's going to be steep? We'll see in a minute. Hear the birds? Spring's coming. And part of the trail goes through this nice little open field. I think it's in like the low 40s. But every now and then the wind is getting gusty. But we should be coming up on the ruins in maybe about 20 minutes. See you then. Whew. I have a nice little bench here. That's cute. Okay, let's continue. Well, we made it up the hill. Nobody fell down, nobody got hurt. We made it. This is the first set of ruins. I can assume this was the smaller of the two structures. It's not that big. Maybe 30, maybe 30 wide by 50 long. I'd say that's about 5 feet high back there. And goes down to about 2 feet high back there. And then we have another pillar. Okay, let's go to the next one. Not sure. Of course, with the sun in my eyes, it's really hard to see. So just freeze the video if you want to read anything. Okay, let's go over to the spring house.
Yeah, this is spring house.
Now, the research I did earlier, it just called it a cabin. It didn't say that it was a... Yeah, I didn't see that on my research. Looks like with some kind of steps at one time. Of course, you know me. And I'm slipping. That's not going to work. Yeah, these must have been steps. Oh gosh, we got wind. That. Warmed up a tiny bit, but it's still windy. Well, that's cool. I'm sure, no, that's not that deep. Maybe a foot or so. Had I known I was going to get some water, I would have brought my underwater light. But I'm going to do this. we go. First time my camera had a bath. And it's still ticking, just like a Timex. Whew. Oh, that's cool. Put it underwater. I've seen that. The only one that can go underwater without a cage, or I should say a water cover. Okay, I'm going to put you away for 2 minutes while I get some pictures. Okay. Okay, that was the first set of ruins. We got some more stuff up here. Somewhere. Well, here we have a well. Oh my. I'd say what's that, about 15 feet, 10, 15 feet. Well, I wouldn't want to fall in there. I would have one heck of a time getting out. Oh, is there a ladder on this side? Wait a minute. Oh yeah, there is a ladder on there. I'd still have a heck of a time getting out because it's like leaning back. Wow. And we have some more ruins over here. This, I am assuming, was the main cabin. They called it a cabin. I would call it a sizable house because it had several floors, and each floor had a bathroom. Okay, we got all that there. That must have been joists for the floor. And this thing here I'm not stepping on because it looks a little shady. Trip on that. And down here we have lots of water. Well, it is spring. Everything's flooding. Yeah, the snow is melting. And that, I'm not sure, was that part of the heating? Because this was built, what, 1905? And by 1915, he very seldom came around. So it was just reverted back to the water company. Gotta love these stone walls. Look at that. They fit so nice. We have little pieces of brick here. More brick. Oh, if I had my boots on, I would go down there and stick my head in there, check it out. These leaves are hiding like every little stone for me to fall on. I'm being a little cautious. Don't want to fall again. Definitely don't want to do that. Okay. Okay, according to the signage, these are like front steps, where the front steps were. It was pretty sizable. And like why they called it a cabin? I don't know, it was more like a big house. A sprawling house. I say this thing's, big golly, it's about twice the length of what my barn was, so I'd say it's a good 80 feet. Much deeper than my barn was. I'd say it's another 80 feet deep, I would say. It was sizable. Yeah, it looks like they were steps at one time. See, this wall is starting to lean in a bit. Okay. Well, we are on the downside of the path. Let's go. Okay, this is a site where there was a schoolhouse. Just for the fact that there are so many sticker bushes there, I'm not going to be trying to shoot through there to try to find any foundations. And of course, here comes the wind. Okay, we're back on the lower part of the trail. I hope you enjoyed that. I did. That was quite a workout. I haven't walked that far up and down hills in a while. Get some exercise, get that leg back in shape, huh? Anyhow, I'm not going to do the aqueduct or the stone arch bridge this time. Foot has had enough. So, I will come back on a return trip, hopefully when it's not so windy. Don't forget, click that notification bell, and see you soon. Peace, baby!